How are Social Security benefits taxed in 2020? In case you have an enterprise in the UK, then you are certainly well informed about VAT. VAT is a type of purchasing tax which is levied on the calculated market value of a product or substance at every stage of its construction. VAT is applied amid the hypothesis that a firm is responsible for some amount of tax on its products or services, not counting any taxes that may already have been paid. Adopting a fictitious VAT rate of 10% to illustrate, a firm would pay out 10% of the value of its merchandise, not counting any taxes previously paid. So merchandise costing £10 would carry with it a 1% VAT of £1. VAT is inflicted at each stage of a product, as making on every single individual that helps with the process. Generally, UK organizations are registered to round up VAT belonging to the government in a timely and truthful manner. The takings have to be yielded with a precise description of the total collected. HMRC gives a lot of consideration to the VAT system and includes a structure of serious punishments for non-conformity. HMRC also won't accept a plea of unawareness of the VAT regulations as an explanation for not relinquishing all amounts payable. The following is some more information regarding VAT. An input VAT is the tax placed on the products and services an enterprise purchases. An output VAT is the tax taken up from a firm's clients. This tax must be collected in good faith and habitually paid over to HMRC. Essential to both taxes is the belief that there is a supply of products and services in the UK created by individuals or enterprises in the regular routine of completing business processes. It's critical to realize, though, that some input VAT can be deducted from the output VAT a person is obligated to pay. Only certain categories of input VAT are allowed for this elimination, and there are major declinations like business cars and company entertainment. A standard rate of 17.5% is relevant to taxable goods. Some supplies nonetheless are zero-rated. There also might be a cut rate of 5% which applies to a couple of certain taxable products. It's best to check with an accountant to figure out the applicability of these rates to your specific state of affairs, especially regarding some kinds of supplies that are marked as exempt. There too is a variation in between zero-rated and non-taxable products. For companies that produce non-taxable goods, it's not feasible to pick up any input tax. For organizations which make zero-rated commodities, compensation of input tax is consented to. Please don't forget that you are required to retain a legal VAT registration if the worth of your taxable supplies exceeds a particular annual sum, which at present is £70. In case your yearly takings is under £70,000, you can select voluntary registration, which afterwards would agree to recover input VAT you have proffered.